In 2011, Wisconsin passed Act 10, a landmark law that helps stabilize the state's finances and protect schools from a looming financial crisis. Thanks to Act 10, Wisconsin school districts have avoided serious financial challenges and created long-term fiscal stability, but now there's a growing concern that its benefits will be eliminated. Recently, a Dane County judge struck down significant components of Act 10, and the savings and flexibilities that schools and local governments have benefited from are now in jeopardy.
In 2010 and 11, a family health plan cost the school district $25,300. 13 years later, a family health plan cost us $22,600. The cost of health insurance, by being able to negotiate different plans and different frameworks, has allowed us to provide a high quality benefit at a lower cost to the school district and then to the employee.
These savings have allowed schools to not only maintain staffing levels, but to grow key student programs like school counselors, career and technology education, and mental health services.
That $2.5 million, that equates to somewhere in the neighborhood of 30 plus staff members. And we have great people here, we have great programs here, and they provide an excellent education for our students. And we see that impact across our community. And if we had to start to jeopardize that based off of this decision, that would be, that would have a substantial impact on our organization.
Without these savings, school districts may have to rely on local referendums to cover the gap, meaning higher property taxes or significant cuts to staff and educational programs.
Act 10 allowed us to maximize our budgets at a local level and not so much controlled by the unions. And so what that's done for us, it's allowed us to save millions and millions of dollars over time on things like health insurance for staff, on retirement and paying our fair share with the employee. And as a result of those dollars, we're able to reallocate those dollars into student programming. And unfortunately, if something were to happen with Act 10 as we know it today, many of those student programs will go by the wayside. And that's going to be an extreme travesty on behalf of our students and their families.
Act 10 helps schools weather a financial storm and put money where it matters most, in the classroom. Repealing it could turn back the clock and put that progress at risk. For more information, visit will-law.org.